Hi, my name is ReaganVFilms and welcome to ReaganVFilms, where we help you get a simpler, smarter, and fast smart home. Today we are reviewing the $180 second generation Nest Doorbell from Google. Now, it is known that Nest is now owned by Google, so they are in the refinancing of the app. If you buy the Nest Aware subscription, your recordings are kept up to 30 days if you get the $60 plan or $6 per month plan. However, if you get the year-long term, you're able to keep your 24/7 recordings for 1 week. Then after that, you're able to keep your recordings up to 1 year for an unlimited amount of cameras. However, the only problem is that the more cameras you have, the more issues you will have. So with the Nest Aware subscription, it also includes a feature of facial recognition. I love facial recognition because if I'm just editing, I don't want to look at my screen on my Google Nest display of who's at my front door.
Reagan is at the front door.
Alright, so I got my camera turned on. So this is what it looks like from the Google Home when I ring the doorbell. So it'll announce my name with it. And yeah, if you have an actual doorbell, it will ring. And yeah, family members can see this, but yeah, this is what the doorbell sounds like, feels like. Now, whenever you change the ringtone to be a seasonal one, or no matter what it is, it will announce and broadcast throughout the entire house. If you have familiar face detection or the Nest Aware subscription, it will also announce which of the face. However, sometimes it's not actually that accurate, so you do have to check your Google Home displays or screens or your phone. So that happened a few times when I was a doctor and they named them Reagan instead of I am Reagan. But you know what, this thing, it works really well, but just make sure that you look for the face detection because sometimes it's actually not that accurate. However, if you have telemarketers coming to you all the time, I found the best way to get rid of them. You don't like telemarketers, don't you? Yeah, I don't like telemarketers either, especially when I am editing. So if you load your app, you go to your settings icon, your device information, and if you switch it from English Australian or English US to some sort of language such as, let's go for Netherlands, or let's go Dutch. And if somebody like rings your doorbell and whatsoever, you would go to the More tab, or on your Google Home and click on the quick responses, and just listen to what happens.
Hallo, bitte stellen Sie es einfach vor der Tür ab. Vielen Dank. Einen Augenblick bitte, wir sind gleich da. Hallo, es kann gerade niemand zur Tür kommen, aber wir werden darüber benachrichtigt, dass Sie geklingelt haben.
No one will understand. That's my favorite feature on this thing that I can't believe nobody really talked about yet. I changed this to English Australian, so if this does happen to you a lot and you want it in English, you can just actually use it and...
Just a sec, we'll be right there.
There you go. Now there's a doorbell theme. I like Westminster the most. However, you have the option for ding dong, birthday party, happy birthday, etc. Nest Classic sounds like this. Now keep in mind that no matter the amount of ringtones that you choose from their list, it will be playing also inside of the house with your visitor announcements. So if you don't want to get annoyed with one sound, just make sure that you gotta change it. This does offer like event scanning, like zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, and out of zone. There is familiar face detection, so my face right now is on the system. You can see a Life Hackers video or something about the notification settings. Today I'm just overviewing this doorbell. I actually really like this doorbell. I've had it for a while. And in here, you can't change this, but it will always be blinking. You can either choose that it will be high, medium, or low, or auto. So I just set this into auto because I don't really care for the green light. I usually turn it off, but in this cold weather and with this doorbell, it doesn't allow me to. In the middle, it just says Google, but yeah. In my opinion, I really love the Nest Doorbell second generation. This reason is because I really love how it flows from its app into its features and even surprising people on Halloween through the sound of the doorbell. This also includes an integration with the Google Home system, because if you are able to use your Nest Hub, also known as your Google Nest Hub, then you get a notification and it gives you the option to use a language feature that will send out an automated voice, or either with the blue button, the microphone. Hey, if you really enjoyed this video, make sure to check out this video right here or subscribe for more smart home technology where we give you a simpler, smarter, and fast smart home.